Hello everyone. Today we shall look into user related functions in Power BI. Here we have user culture function. It returns the local where language code country code it returns for the current user determined by the operating system browser settings or Power BI service. We shall look into the examples. Here we shall understand how these functions and why these functions are useful. You should understand that this user culture function it is currently supported in Power BI Premium per capacity, which is PPC, Power BI Premium per user, which is PPU, and Power BI embedded only. Username it returns the domain name and username for the credentials given to the system at connection time. User object ID, the current user's object ID from Azure AD for Power BI or Azure Analysis Service Models, okay, or SID, which is security identifier for SQL Server Analysis Service Models, okay, what we call as SSAS models. Here, in the for the user principal name, our user principal name is reflected at connection time. These are the four functions which are related to the user in the system. Let us see how it works. I'll create a new measure. Here I'll write username measure equal to, I'll just type the username and hit enter. I'll go to home tab. I'll take a text card. Okay, I'll use this measure. Here you could see that my username it is this is my username. Okay, and I could reduce its size. Let us see the principal username. Okay, I'll create another measure. I'll write user principal name measure equal to user principal name with parentheses. We do not have expressions for these functions, okay, hence we could use them directly. I'll copy this text card, okay, and I could change the measure which is my user principal name. You could see that my user name measure and user principal name measure are both the same for now, but it may differ depending on the situation. These username and user principal names are used for dynamic calculations or dynamic nature in row level security rules. We shall see the other two functions, which is user object ID and user culture. As I said that based on the system settings, we'll get the user culture. I'll write the measure name as user culture measure equal to user culture, hit enter. Okay, I'll copy the measure text card. Okay, I'll replace the measure with user culture measure. Here you could see that here my user culture is ENUS, which is United States culture. Okay, you could change it in your system settings, or it depends upon the nature of utilization. You could even utilize it in Power BI service. I'll create a new measure and show you user object ID. I'll write user object ID measure equal to user object and hit enter. I'll copy this text card. I'll replace it with user object ID measure. You could see that this is my user object ID measure, where it has the unique code for the user object ID. It represents the current user object ID for Azure AD or Azure Analysis Service Models or SQL Server Analysis Service Models. Okay, please practice, and this is all for now. Thank you for watching, and we shall meet in the next video.